this one that I bought from Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 9:57 a.m. It's a Monday, May 13. Today I only have like a few agendas, which is first, magpapanils muna ako. Yes! Okay. So yun nga guys, my agenda for today is first, magpapanils ako, and then, ano pa ba yun? May gagawin pa ako eh. Okay, so, I'm thinking of like adding a reading chair here sa room ko. Sabi ng bookshelf. So, meron na kaming reading chair dyan, pero I don't like its colors. I mean, hindi siya fit sa kwarto ko. So, nagde-decide kami na like bumili ng contact sticker para ibahin yung colors. Like from black, bibili ako ng white contact sticker. Maghahanap ako mamaya sa SM or kung meron sa ibang mga malls or shops. So, ayun lang naman. First agenda, magpapanail. Second agenda is maghahanap ng mga stuffs, contact sticker, and pillow sheet para sa magiging reading share ko here. Di pa ako sure kung matutuloy yan, pero yeah. Also guys, I almost forgot. I guess ang pinaka-main agenda ko today is maayos yung cabinet ko. Yung pinaka-last floor, which is yung mga sa school stuffs ko, aayusin ko na today since vacation. So, makakapagtapon na ako finally. So,
These are the stupid connecting window rule. I can tell them you're out.
Alternative to Thursday.
My sister's engagement party.
Oh, right.
Veo cosas muy bonitas, pienso en ti como un cafecito en la primavera, se siente tan rico y ay, tu aroma enloquece las flores.
lately I've been using this Kojic Plus Niacinamide Lotion. This is SPF 30 na rin, and I've been using that for almost, I guess, 3 months now. So, yeah, get ready with me. So, usually for the first step of my makeup, I'm using this Bella Tinted Sunscreen. This after I applied the Bella Tinted Sunscreen. Ewan ko kung kita sa camera yung difference kasi medyo malabo ngayon yung camera. And then the next step, I've been using this. The struggle. I've been using this Pink Flush Concealer in the shade 01. Kadalasan kapag hindi naman heavy makeup yung ginagawa ko, dito lang sa under eye ko ina-apply. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I applied Pink Flush Concealer. So next, I just apply Bare & Please compact powder in the shade 01 then. So next step, eyebrows. I'm just going to fill in. So I'm just using this Bare & Bliss then Set and Sleek in the shade 03 Deep Ash Brown. This is also from Pink Flush. I've been using this ever since bago mag-apply ng brow card. Yan. So that's it for my brows. Pero hindi pa pala tapos kasi nalagyan ko siya ng concealer dito lang sa may part na to. Let me show it to you guys. Parang mas nililistik na. Ngayon, I guess last step na to yung, hindi. Second to the last step pala, yung blush. I've been using this Maybelline in the shade 180. Revolutionary. Ito ba yung shade niya? Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako yung bumili nito. Bumili sa akin ito yung mommy ng boyfriend ko. So, I'm really thankful. Ito yung ginagamit kong blush for a long time now. Nung una, ginagamit ko to as lippy. Tapos, yung kaklase ko, sabi niya, try ko daw gamitin as blush. Ano yun? Ginagamit niya kasi blush yung Maybelline niya. So, tinry ko and, ewan ko, mas nagustuhan ko siya as blush. Hi guys! kakatapos ko lang mag-ayos and that's it for our natural look. Ating products lang nilagay ko kasi we're just opting for a natural makeup look nga. So, yeah, that's it guys. Aalis na ako. Also, fit check. Quick fit check. I'm wearing this crop top is regalo sa akin ni ate. This black trousers is from Shopee. And the bag, I guess I already mentioned this sa previous vlog. We got that from Singapore. So, yun lang guys. Mag-aayos na ako ng gamit and we're ready to go. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. It's May 14. I don't know what exactly the time is, pero kakagising ko lang a few minutes ago. I guess 1 hour ago na pala. Kasi nag-ayos pa ako ng room ko since nilagay na namin yung reading chair na I've been mentioning about sa previous clips. Hindi na namin nilagay yung like contact sticker kasi wala kaming nahanap yesterday. So, yeah, the color is as it is pa din. Pero na-realize ko, match naman siya dyan sa Venetian blinds ko na gray. So, yun lang naman. I don't really have that much agendas today. I guess ang agenda ko lang is mag-chill lang sa bahay and especially sagutan yung exam ni Papa. Hoy, nagsasagot talaga nun para makapagpahinga na siya. Ano naman guys, today I guess I'm just going to like show you how my ordinary day really goes. So, yeah.
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
The trays.
But it's not cause everybody you meet is dangerous.
Good morning. Say hi. Say hi yung hyper. Oh my gosh, I'm literally panicking right now. Kasi I just woke up and then pagtingin ko sa orasan, 3:30 PM na. Tapos akala ko yung laro ni Joaquin is 5 PM pa. Kaso 4 PM nga pala sila ngayon. Kasi I'm about to get ready to go to Joaquin's game. May league game siya ngayon. And ayun na. I need to get ready as soon as possible. Bye! So, I just got done getting ready. And paalis kami ngayon para mag-malling with family. So, let's go.
Wanna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor. 'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. Floorboards in the next room will keep me warm. 'Cause you are the
Anong masasabi nyo? Super saya! Super saya!
makes me
currently 4:44 p.m. Kakauwi ko lang. Nag-family day kami since last day nga ni Papa today. Since tomorrow is his flight. So, ayun, last day niya today. So, we really enjoyed this day. Ano bang mga ginawa namin? Maaga kaming umalis para pumunta ang SM Baliwag. Doon is kumain kami, naglaro, parang may suot ka, and then like, parang nasa ibang dimension. I really enjoyed that one. Like, kami dalawa ni ate is like, sigaw ng sigaw, ganyan. Pero hindi kami talaga pumipikit kasi gusto ko talaga enjoyin yung every moment doon kasi ang saya. Tapos si Papa, tawan-tawa kami kay Papa kasi sabi niya pumipikit na daw siya kasi hindi niya na kaya. Ayun. And then after na we went to Photo Museum to take like pictures before the day before his flight. Yun lang naman, and then we bought merienda. Ayan. I bought Greenwich Carbonara.
Kills me, that woman. She really wasn't as provocative as you think, Grandma.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up?
Ganda! Mother dearest, Mother Earth, Mother Nature. And we on our way to the airport.
In a hoodie or a suit and tie. I'll give you all of me for all of you if that's something that you like. 'Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. I'm just a little bit smitten. You've been tripping through my mind all day. Been thinking about those brown eyes, got me smiling, picturing your face. 'Cause mine's
Hello guys, I just woke up from like a short nap kasi kakagising lang namin. Kakauwi lang namin kanina lang and nakatulog ako. So, I'm going to get my dinner right now. So, yun lang naman. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys! Another get ready with me. Time check, it is 12:51 p.m. and wala talaga sa plan namin today. Nagkumala na naman kasi ang dami na namin pinuntahan kahapon. Like yesterday, went to a lot of places. Ang dami nga nasikaso and all those stuff. Pero today, na-bored kami sa house. So, ano pa nga bang gagawin, diba? Excuse sa hair ko, sa face ko, wala pa akong ina-apply. Talagang gulong-gulo pa yung tsura ko kasi I'm not feeling well. Pero gagala pa rin kami kasi kesa naman ma-bored sa bahay. So, yun. Ito pa lang yung na-apply ko, guys. You've seen this sa previous clips. This is my go-to tinted sunscreen. And then, you probably know my next step is gonna be concealer. Sa dami ng get ready with me na ginawa ko sa vlog na to. Ayan na sila. Oh my gosh. Teka lang, nagpapanik na ako. So, yun lang naman. We're going to SM North. I'm not sure kung SM North Bar, SM Pampanga. Kasi yung pinagpipilian namin. Siguro, bibili lang ako doon. I don't know. I'm thinking I'll buy like a color corrector or something, or it's either any makeup product or skincare. Trying to restrain myself from going to fully book kasi for sure, kapag pumunta ako doon, mabubudol na naman ako. Ang dami ko pang hindi nababasa na libro. Tapos ito na naman ako, pupunta na naman akong fully book at doon ko na naman gagastasin yung pera ko. So, I'm trying to put myself in a book buying ban. And this is Bentley's Compact Powder and I really love this one. Ang tagal ko na itong gamit kasi ewan ko ba, parang ang natural looking niya lang. Tapos natatakpan talaga. Good for like, if you're opting for just a natural look. Parang dito lang siya sa under or para mas mag-smoothen out. Not usually, all the time. Dito ako naglalagay sa part na to pag nagpo-blush ako. Kasi ewan ko ba, feel ko mas natural looking yan sa akin. Kasi pag dito, na-facelift niya. And I don't think I need more of a facelifting. Anyways, yun lang guys. I'll just update you later. Hello guys! Kakauwi ko lang. Sobrang sama na ng pakiramdam ko at this point. Pero still, I have nothing else to do. So, let's do a mini haul. Okay. Let's start with this one that I bought from the Face Shop. This is, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Recommend lang din ng friend na ka-workmate ni Tita. So, we decided to try this. This is their Jeju Aloe Eyes. This is a skincare. Wala akong masyadong alam dito kasi as I've said, recommended lang to. Pero I know that this is a moisturizer din. And nakakapag like reduce siya ng pores. As far as I know, sabi nung sales lady, this is like applied day and night. I'm excited to try this one kasi I remembered I'm really fond of eyes skincares when I was like 13 years old last year. Kasi doon talaga ako hiyang dati. Yung mga malalamig na dinadampi sa mukha ko, doon ako hiyang. So, I'm excited to try this one. Next, we have the reason kung bakit pinilit ko pa rin gumala kahit na ang sama-sama na talaga ng pakiramdam ko. This is the BLK Airy Matte Perfecting Foundation. This is a setting powder in the shade Vanilla Oat. Hindi ko pa doon natatry, pero I've heard a lot of good things about it. So, nung nakita ko siya sa Dep Store, talagang, bili na natin to, right? Yan, meron siyang kasamang cushion. And next, Glutamax. Kasi, kaya ko to binili, nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Tapos nakita ko yung mga TikTok videos na suggest whitening products, ganyan. And halos lahat ng nasa comments is Glutamax yung nire-recommend. So, we're gonna try this and I'm gonna update you guys if I remember. And if this really work, I'm gonna update you. And the last one, because this is just a mini haul, the Look Organics, the Rosy Glow 3 times Bright Ultra Fine Mist. So, I'm excited also to try this one. Actually, na-try ko na to dati kasi may ganito si ate. Nakita ko sa may mga skincare section ng room niya. So, I tried it and this just like one time. So, wala talaga ako nakitang much difference. Pero again, I'll keep you guys updated. Yun lang naman for our mini haul. I guess yun lang din naman for this whole vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video.